This one was back in 2018, I think. I remember it very well. It was drop shipping. Now, what I did was basically, I used to go on eBay, right? By the way, when it came to drop shipping, I saw a video on YouTube, probably just like you guys do, okay? Back in the days. And I try to find out everything about it. I try to find out exactly who is the best at it. And I found a guy, his name was Paul Jalipsky. He still does it to this day, by the way, Paul Jalipsky. And I found him on Instagram. I found out he had a course and I got the course. And again, you cannot be afraid to invest money into things that are gonna potentially make you more money. And when I always buy a course or invest into a course, I always make sure that that person has, for example, a money return policy, meaning, hey, I have 30 days to figure this out. If it doesn't make me money whatsoever, I'm going to refund it, get a charge back on my credit card or whatever it is to get my money back, because I'm not going to pay for something that basically does not work. But you cannot be afraid to invest in yourself. You know, YouTube is great for a lot of information. But when you get a course, for example, with all the details step by step, it can help you a lot more. So never be afraid to go ahead and basically invest in yourself by buying a course or buying a book. That's what I did. So when I did that, the whole idea was basically with dropshipping, by the way, and the context is dropshipping is basically selling something without ever putting your hands on it. And I remember I had a friend back in college that did this. I was making like around $5,000, $10,000 per month. I was like, how is it possible that you're making this much money? But back then, I thought it was just like a scam or whatever. I just ignored it. And then later on, I started doing it myself. So what I would do is basically, you can't do it this way anymore. It's kind of tricky now. That's why you want to stick to people that are actually doing it like consistently, so that way you know exactly how the industry is changing. But the way I did it was basically, I would go on Amazon. I would find products on Amazon, list them onto eBay for a higher price, obviously. When somebody bought them on eBay, I would buy them myself, for example, on Amazon with their money and then send it over to their address that they actually gave me on eBay. That's drop shipping. So the profit margins were around like 3 to 5%, but again, you never touch anything. And in my first month of doing drop shipping, I made around $20,000 in sales. Remember, right? $20,000 is not that simple. It's not like 20K. Oh my gosh. It's more like $20,000. And if I made, for example, let's just say 5%, in reality, my profit was somewhere like around $1,000. But on top of that, back then we were also doing cash back. So we had a lot of credit cards, and the idea was that you can actually get a credit card with Amazon that gave you an additional 5% every time you bought something. So just in cash back, I would get back, for example, another $1,000.
You've got to stop.